What's up, people of the internet? I have bought something I really needed. Yeah. This here is an old Chinese mini truck. I think it's a Zap XL. Over here on the tailgate. It says it's fully electric, and it literally is. I like how it's set up too, because it's literally going from that rear end and brakes and everything to drive shaft, to the trans, to the motor, to all the batteries that's chilling in here. I've already got one in. I'm gonna just tighten it down and try to swap the rest of them. I've got 6 used batteries. I'm gonna try and just at least see if this thing moves. But I've had one in here. I've got one in here right now. Everything works in this thing. It's awesome. I like it. I feel like I paid too much for it, but I'm actually okay with it because it looks solid. The truck only has, well, a very, very low mileage, even though it is the shape that it's in, with all the rust and ugliness and everything underneath it. But hey, the dash is dead, but it looks very, very good in here. So we got a radio. We don't have AC. The other one I was going to bet on did have AC. But I actually got this off an online auction. And it works. It looks very, very good. I'm going to use it around here for pulling lawnmowers and all that crap. Hauling deer on and whatnot. I don't care. That's what it's going to get used for. But here's the cool thing now. Look. 28 miles. Yes, 28 miles. Let's see where we at here. There's our wattage, amp, and then that. Yeah. Okay. That's our volts. So I say I put all these batteries in here and then see what we can do, right? All right, so I got them all sitting in there. Yeah. I need new connectors. I need some DIM for that one, and part of that one. So I got all these other junky batteries out. These are horrible to get in and out. And I'm about to go to town and get some more connectors, battery cable ends for DIM. So we can actually try this thing out and see what's gonna happen. I really hope it works. Or else I just... So I got ourselves 4 of the 4 boxes of clamps. Like, oh, you got a lot of clamps. Yeah, well, I just bought a mini truck, so they'll work. Yes, I bought an EV. Believe it or not. Yes. I'm up here at the fast charger. Just be chilling. I have a growing interest in electric cars. It's just that I like them, yes. I just decided I wanted to toy around with it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep this pretty much just forever because I like this thing. It's a 2015 Chevy Spark EV, and I might do a video on it. I don't know, but I like this car, enjoy it, so it gonna stay. And yes, the truck still exists. I still have it. All right. So I'm in the truck now, opening all these things, because I don't want to stay out there in this freaking wind no more than I have to here. I know it is dark out here, but oh, ow! The truck is the hardest thing to get in and out of. Okay, so what do we have here? Okay, so something's still not right. It's not doing anything here. Put it in reverse. Nothing. Okay, but hey. We got lights on. Turn signals. Boom. Boom. One's in the back. One's in the back too. Yeah. Tail lights? Yes. Brake lights. Literally everything here. Yeah. It's cray. Alright. Radio work though? No. Does not. Does not. Okay, so there's one thing I do want to check. I want to see how many volts I am getting to the power wires going to this thing. If we have the proper power, then we have other issues here. One there. And then the other, oh, hang on here. Hey, this is 12.8, 12.9, 30, 13. Okay, so this is positive. This shall be negative. What are we getting? 77 volts. So we're getting it. So we're getting the power. We just need to find out what in the crap else is going on here. All right. So I'm going to do a little bit more research on this thing and make a decision, because we're getting the power here. Clearly, I mean, we have good voltage. It should be good enough to get this thing to move, but yet it's not wanting to do anything. I don't know what else it could be under there, because I see that solenoid there. Yeah, that's actually pretty bright. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so I'm gonna see thingy here and here. Oh, whoops. So you can come down. Sorry, I'm gonna do this one-handed here. Okay. Okay. Now I need the flashlight again. Here we go. Okay. So I don't know. There's a relay. Hit the key. Okay. See that? Nothing. So you hear it clicking right here, so this must be good. I don't see any kind of chewed up wires or anything. So I really don't know where else to start. Okay. I will see what I can do here. What's this? Fuses 4. Hang on. Hang on. Ah, here we are. Perfect. The fuse looks good. Whatever this fuse goes to. Yeah. It looks good. I can pull a little booger out. I don't even know what that thing goes to anyway. Okay, so I have an idea. So we've got the power and everything on. It won't do anything. Reverse. Won't do anything here. Okay. What I just thought. I think that is for voltage, right? That's for voltage. We don't have any watts, amps, or anything being used. And it has 12.9 volts. So, what I'm thinking is, it doesn't know how many volts it has. You know, like the batteries, the main batteries should be at least 70 to 80 volts to drive this thing. Yes. I think the truck probably thinks it's dead. It's only operating off the main battery, which I think that would possibly be a gauge for it too, I think, right? That would probably be our amp hour there, showing, hey, kind of like an RPM gauge here. Kind of like an RPM gauge is what that would probably be like. I'm sorry, let me get the camera fixed here. There we go. So, kind of be like an RPM gauge there. So, like, so you put it to the floor, you're redlining it at 8,000 RPM. It's going to go all the way to it, right? That's what that does. 10, 20, 30 amps. Whereas this amps right here. That's what I'm guessing. The max will be 40 amps being used. Like if you mat this thing to the floor, that's how many amps it's going to push. And I guess this will be, I guess your fuel gauge, I guess. I'm not sure. I guess so. I guess this will only be the thing that tells you exactly how many volts you have left before you actually run out of battery, and then yeah, you're dead on the side of the road. The only thing I have for reference is this Chinese manual that I have no idea what is inside of it because it's literally in Chinese. So I guess I need to get some kind of translator to look at this thing and see exactly what is going on. I do have a good idea what it may be, which is it literally not knowing that it has all the power it needs. Okay, so it's another cold day out here in Tennessee, and I was doing research. I found out, well, number one, you actually have to start the thing. Yes, I know, it's fully electric and you have to start it. It's dumb. But also, the contactor is literally, could be our next thing if this doesn't work. So, okay. The battery is actually charged too. So, it's at 3 to 5 seconds. So, oh! Really? Really? That proves my point. Okay, alright. Alright, man. Alright. Alright, I don't smell nothing smoking. Not yet. So, I think... Is it gonna move? It's trying to freaking move! Ah! Ah! It's freaking moving! Holy crap! Alright, hang on. We got this crap over here, dude. Okay, so. Reverse. So. Here we go. This is freaking awesome, dude. Holy crap. We're moving. Put her forward. Holy crap, look at this. Alright, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some air in all these tires, check them all, and see what's going on with them. Holy crap, we're driving this thing today, baby. Okay, so I'm gonna leave my seatbelt off, but we're in reverse. Oh crap, brakes suck. Thing's slow. Not the rotors just need to be changed. What it sounds like. This thing has a whole lot of so 55.5. What's that? Oh, it does run. Okay. Man, I wish the freaking trailer and crap was out of the way. I want to drive it up the road. Anyway, let's go. Let's go back there to the back pasture. You better run. You better get out the way. That bless. Better run. Simone, look at her. She's going crazy. Oh. This thing is not very comfortable to drive. God dang. This thing doesn't have enough power at all. Will it do a burnout? Will it do a burnout? All right. Will it not? Come on, dude. Oh. All right. Let me move the truck because I want to take this thing up and down the road and burn the brakes off of it. Okay, so I'm trapped at the side of the road. Literally right here at it. That came off. So I need to somehow reattach that and get it back home so we can fix it indefinitely. Okay, so I'm currently walking back home because it's still on the side of the road, and I'm going to get some tools. The other thing, the other connector, just to get this thing back home. So, because what it did is it melted the battery post thingy, because apparently it had too much power and just straight up melted it. Because that wire was just pretty hot, so it wasn't too good. So at least that was all it was. Nothing else burnt completely out on this truck yet. So I might consider a different power plant. I really don't know. It all depends on what kind of experiences we have at this thing and what we're truly going to do with it. I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Keep staring, bro. Just keep staring. Just keep staring there, Bobby. Yeah. I'm gonna eat you Sunday, I tell you what. Did you know you can rev it up? Yeah. Sounds like the water generator things at the dams that give us the power we need to power our house. Yeah. I think it's just sad. I mean, yes, it's good around the house. I thought it was gonna be good for him. Oh my gosh! But still. Dead stop, dead stop, dead stop. Come on. Run out, come on. Give me one, give me one. Come on, we at least gotta try. No, it won't do one. Come on, come on, come on. Got to at least try, man. Come on. Oh, won't do it. Thing got some. Okay. Crap. This thing is done pretty good. I mean, I like it. It might stay. And also, yeah, look. We got a blower motor. I don't know if it actually just tries to work or what, but hey. This thing is, it's done pretty good around here. The only thing I don't like about it is that big old piece of metal back there jingles around all the time. You'll probably heard it on the camera earlier. But, hey, I'm happy. I don't like how slow it is. But, hey, I guess we gotta get used to it, I guess. Ain't that right? No? Right. Whatever. But, hey, I like it. I'm gonna use it here in a minute. And, let's just see how it goes. But it's gonna be all for this video, I guess. I like this thing. I'm probably gonna keep it, but it's still just way entirely too slow. So it's too slow for me, but it's good enough to be used around here. Because top speed is max of like 25. That's it. And this thing just starts to scream when you start to get up there too. Because my car is top speed of 90. That's when it cuts off. But it's got, immediately has power. As this doesn't. This also has like 400 volts in my car. And this one only has 72. So I could overvolt it and try, but I don't know how that would go. I could add 2 more batteries. Just see what happens. But once again, I don't know how that would happen. I don't know how that would work. So if you liked it, if you liked this video, just like it. Subscribe, all the jazz. And just remember, days are coming. Jesus is coming, man. Just remember that. Later, homies.